Hello everyone, today welcome to Leah's world. I'm Leah and today I'm going to show you how to make a volcano at home. So you need a water bottle, you can decorate it, but I'm not. So you need to put some, let's see, food coloring in the water. Let's see, where did I put my food coloring? Okay. I need to look for it. Oh, here it is. I found it. So, it's so slippery. Okay, now. Then this is vinegar. You need to put 1 drop. I think I want to put some glitter. Okay, that was just a joke. And you need to put 1 more drop. And I'm putting 1 more drop. To make it extra volcano-y. Okay. So you close it, the lid, then mix that all up. Or mine is dissolving. Okay, so I'm just mixing it up. See that redness? Ooh, it likes strawberry and raspberry, of course. Now put the vinegar in. Okay, just need to put this. Put it in the bottle. Put it in the bottle. It's okay if some spills, but if you don't like mess, I like messes in my kitchen, my pretend kitchen. Okay, so I'm just putting in more. Oh, see the bubbles. Okay, now we just need to put, I want to put in my baking soda. I don't know so. Baking soda. Great. Whoa. Well, look at that. Put a little, another. Wow. This, I think you need put more. What in the? Wow, that's amazing. It's so pink. This looks like a real volcano, but I like it. Haha! There's so much. See, the whole container's getting filled. It's like frosting explosion day. Well, that's no such thing. It's amazing. Ooh. Let's wait till it's done, guys. So when will be done? Okay, this is taking forever. This looks like frosting, of course. Wow! Did you see that, guys? I can ruin it. Haha! Now, that's amazing color. Okay, when will it ever stop? It's not never going to stop? Too much vinegar, I guess. I'm just so excited. Come on. It has to stop one time. And if you like this video, and if you really like this video, subscribe to my channel. When will this stop? Bye. See you next time on In Leah's World.